Hello student, welcome back to another video of St. Michael's Academy e-learning class. I am Sriram teaching you economics of class 10. Student, today's topic is modern forms of money. We have seen that money is something that can act as a medium of exchange in transactions. Before the introduction of coins, a variety of objects was used as money. For example, since the very early ages, Indian used grains and cattle as money. Thereafter came the use of metallic coins, gold, silver, copper coins, a phase which continued well into the last century. So, modern forms of money constitute currency, deposits with bank, and the check as well. So, let's start currency. Modern forms of money include currency, paper notes, and coins. Unlike the things that were used as money earlier, modern currency is not made of precious metals such as gold, silver, and copper. And unlike grain and cattle, they are neither of everyday use. The modern currency is without any use of its own. So we can say that modern forms of money include currency, that is paper notes and coins. Money is accepted as a medium of exchange because the currency is authorized by government of the country. In India, the Reserve Bank of India issues currency notes on behalf of the central government. As per Indian law, no other individual or organization is allowed to issue currency. No individual in India can legally refuse a payment made in rupees. So, currency is an important form of money in modern times, which includes paper notes and coins. Coins are made of some metal, but it presented certain difficulties which marked the development of paper notes, or you can say currency notes. Modern currency notes are not made of valuable metals like gold and silver, and also they are not of any direct use in daily life as grain and cattle. Then why it is accepted as a medium of exchange? It is accepted as a medium of exchange because the currency is authorized by the government of the country. In every country, the issue of currency is either in the hands of central government or in the hands of central bank. In India, the issue of currency notes is the monopoly of the Reserve Bank of India. Legally, no other individual or organization can issue the currency notes in our country. Rupee is the medium of exchange. Now, deposits with banks. The form, the other form in which people hold money is as deposits with banks. At a point of time, people need only some currency for their day-to-day needs. For instance, workers who receive their salaries at the end of each month have extra cash at the beginning of the month. What do people do with this extra cash? They deposit it with the banks by opening a bank account in their name. Banks accept the deposits and also pay an amount as interest on the deposits. In this way, people's money is safe with the banks and it earns an amount as interest. People also have the provision to withdraw the money as and when they require. Since the deposits in the bank accounts can be withdrawn on demand, these deposits are called demand deposits. Bank money refers to bank deposits by people with banks which they can withdraw at any time of they like. The deposits in the bank accounts that can be withdrawn on demand are called demand deposits. These demand deposits can be transferred to another person through a bank check. For example, when Mohan makes a payment to Sohan by check, Sohan accepts Mohan's ownership of bank deposits. The check itself is not money, but it performs the same function as money. In this way, demand deposits possesses the essential features of money. Since checks can be issued against demand deposits, this facility helps to settle payments directly without the use of cash. Therefore, the demand deposits are also treated as a form of money. So we see here that how important is the role of banks. The modern forms of money, currency and deposits are closely linked to the working of the modern banking system. Demand deposits offer another interesting facility. It is this facility which lends it the essential characteristics of money. You would have heard of payments being made by checks instead of cash. For payment through check, the payer who has an account with the bank makes out a check for a specific amount. A check is a paper instructing the bank to pay a specific amount from the person's account to the person in whose name the check has been issued. Thus, we see that demand deposits share the essential features of money. The facility of check against demand deposits makes it possible to directly settle payments without the use of cash. You must remember the role that the banks play here, but for the banks, there would be no demand deposits and no payments by checks against these deposits. The modern forms of money, currency, and deposits are closely linked to the working of the modern banking system.